Namaste everyone. Here I am going to solve one question which is related to VBQ in mensuration. The question runs like this. Raman, a painter, always donated 1/5 of his income to an orphanage. Once he got a contract of painting a house having 3 rooms of dimensions 10 meter, 12 meter, 35 meter, 8 meter, 6 meter, 3.5 meter, and 7 meter, 5 meter, 3.5 meter. He charged rupees 30 per meter square for his work. How much money did Raman earn? Find the amount of money he gave to the orphanage. First of all, we have to find the area of the room which will be painted. As we know, in a room there are 4 walls and 1 ceiling which will be painted. So we have to find its areas one by one like this. For room first, dimensions are L. Suppose L is 12 meter. B is 10 meter and H is 3.5 meter. Then area of all the 4 walls plus area of its ceiling will be painted. Hence, area of all the 4 walls plus area of ceiling, because these parts will be painted. We can calculate it like this. As we know, area of all the 4 walls of a room is 2 into L plus B into H, and area of ceiling, that will be L into B. It will be equal to 2. From this, L is 12 meter, B is 10 meter into H, that is 3.5 meter plus area of ceiling, that will be L into B, 12 into 10. It will give us 2 into 3.5, that is 7 into 12 plus 10, that is 100. 12 plus 10, that is 22, plus 10 into 12, that is 120. It will give us 7 to the 14, 1, 7 to the 14 plus 1, that is 15 plus 120. It is in this way 4, 5 plus 2, that is 7, and 1 plus 1, that is 2 meter square. In this way, area of first room, that is 274 meter square. 274 meter square. This is area to be painted for room number 1. Now for room number 2, L is equal to, for this, its dimensions are L is equal to 8 meter, B, that is 6 meter, and H, that is 3.5 meter. Hence, area of all the 4 walls plus area of ceiling. That will be 2 into L plus B into H plus area of ceiling. That will be L into B. It will be 2 into L plus B, 8 plus 6 into H. That is 3.5 plus LB, 8 into 6. From this 2 into 3.5, that is 7 into 8 plus 6, that is 14 plus 8 6 ja 48, 17, 14 is here, 14 7 ja, that is 98 plus 48. It will give us 8 plus 8, that is 16, 1 plus 9, 10 plus 4, 14 meter square. This is area to be painted of room 2, 146 meter square. Room 3. Its dimensions are like this. L is equal to 7 meter, B that is 5 meter, H that is 3.5 meter. Hence, area of all the 4 walls plus area of ceiling, that will be 2 into L plus B into H plus area of ceiling, that is L into B. It will be 2 into L, 7 plus 5 into 3.5 plus L into B, 7 into 5. It will give us 2 into 3.5, that is 7 into 7 plus 5, 12 plus 7 5 is 35. It will be 12, 7 is 84 plus 35. It will be 5 plus 4, that is 9, 8 plus 3, that is 11 meter square. 119 meter square. Now, total area to be painted. Hence, areas to be painted is equal to 274 meter square plus 146 meter square plus 119 meter square. It will be 4 plus 6, 10 plus 9, 19, 1 plus 7, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 1, 13, 1 plus 2, 3, 4, 5. 539 meter square will be painted, and cost of 1 square meter is rupees 30. Cost of painting of 1 square meter is rupees 30. So cost of painting of 539 meter square will be. How much money did Raman earn? He charged rupees 30 for his work. Hence, total cost of painting, that will be rupees 30. This is cost of 1 square meter. And here total 539 39 square meters are available. This part will be painted. Now we have to find its product. Rupees 0, 9 3 ja 27, 2 3 3 ja 9 plus 2 11, 1 3 5 ja 15 plus 1, that is 16. In this way, cost of painting is rupees 16,170. This is total cost. How much money did Raman earn? Hence, Raman earned rupees 16,170. Now, this is solution of A. Find the amount of money he gave to the orphanage. 1/5 of his income. Income of Raman is rupees 16,170. Its 1/5 is given to the orphanage. Hence, 1/5 of his income. It will be 1/5 into his income, that is rupees 16,170. 5 3 ja 15, 1 1 11, 5 2 ja 10, 1 7 17, 5 3 ja 15, 2 0, 20, 5 4 ja. This is rupees 3,234, which is given to the orphanage. Find the amount of money he gave to the orphanage. This is amount given to the orphanage. Hence, Raman gave rupees 3,234 to the orphanage. That's all. Thank you very much for watching.